Hi, my name's Mclean. I'm from Jamaica Plain, Massachusetts. I work at Madison Park Technical Vocational High School, and I will be playing the guitar and singing a song for you. I've been playing the guitar since I was 12 or 13 years old. I picked it up and started learning Beatles songs on an acoustic guitar. And then I was in a funk rock band when I was in high school. And now I'm in a rock and roll band still. I'm in my 40s. So I've been playing the guitar for 35 years. I hope that this video makes me rich and famous, and all the teenagers in America have posters of me up in their bedroom walls, and they just think I'm awesome, and I inspire them to become rock stars, and I hope that my music lives on forever, and that in 200 years, songs that I've written are being played in symphonies.
Sad songs make me smile. Sad songs tell the truth about love. When your poor heart is standing trial. And if I had $1 every time I am down, baby, I'd be a rich man. My silly old head up in the clouds. Sad songs make me happy. Sad songs make me smile. 'Cause sad songs tell the truth about love. When your poor heart is standing trial. And if I was in trouble with a loss I could not bear, an old song whispers, "Hey, you're okay, mister. Please do not despair." Sad songs make me happy. Sad songs make me smile. Sad songs tear the heart out. Every face in the lonesome crowd. I know we all get cut up into pieces. Makes us feel enslaved. Lost in the jungle, blind and wasted, looking for answers to ease the pain.